Right, we're starting on these. These are 16/12 windows. Believe it or not, this is for a bathroom. Wrong, for a toilet. We've already started taking the glass out. There's the glass there. And that's the frames before we start. We've taken the furniture off, but as you can see, they're in a sorry state. Yeah. These are hopefully going back in. We won't know until we've taken the paint off and been able to see what's going on. But this is going to be a fun job. Now, there you can see an open joint. Yeah. All of the rebates are still full. We've taken the face putties off. We've taken the glass off, but all of the backing putties need to be taken out. They're all old and crappy, so we'll need to sort those out, and that's what we'll be doing this morning. All right, we started at around about 8:30, and now this is ready. Oops. This is ready for glazing. It's been treated. Everything is working. And this is the same one that was in shit state this morning. Right, this is the bottom sash. The time now is 12:05. This is what it looks like at the moment. If all goes well, by the end of the day, this will look quite good. Right, the bottom, this is the bottom sash, and this is the bottom rail. And the bottom rail, over the years, where the putty was, that had all been rotted away. So what we've done is we've cut in a new piece of hardwood into there. It's Meranti, yeah, and that is now, if I put that up like that, that is now all solid, whereas before it was all over the place. Now we've got a nice straight line to work to. Right, it's the end of the day. Well, not end of the day, but that's as far as we can get today. The preservative has got to dry off overnight, but that's the beginning of looking more like windows. This is a 12/16. You are being videoed, so any mistakes you make will be for eternity.
Really?
Oh, you show off.
Better put show on.
Yeah, look at that. I just love it. Oh, for God's sake. Makes me sick when I see you do that. I'd still be on the first one.
I went down to... Pressing on the edges, Michael. So you don't press in the middle. Pressing in the middle, baby. Jim's doing a video. I can show him all my scars, can't I? And what not to do. All up my arms, all up my wrists, all up my hands.
Trouble with glasses, you don't get a second chance, do you?
Well, please don't get in. Well, coming that way, it'd be a fire. No, we didn't. This one should roll over the top. Yeah. You want to kill two birds with one stone, or catch it as you come through the web. Right, now this one, we need to go that way because this is the thicker glass, that's the thin glass, so we come in that way. And that should right over the top. all depends what the webs are doing, Michael. What I will do.
There's so many other bloody things, aren't there?
Mm.
You are on film. So why do you do it vertically rather than horizontally?
If you do it vertically,
Yeah.
the bits when you're fronting off comes down. So basically, if I was doing that laying down, these little bits would stay on there.
Right.
So you're getting a nice edge on it like that. Pick the corners out. It's perfect. Perfect.
Only another 28 to go.
Oh,
And that's the top sash, all puttied up, all the face putty's done. It looks a little bit better than it did when we started. Yeah. Oh dear. A mammoth amount of work, but rewarding, because it looks bloody good. Yeah. So that's it from the other side. All the back putty's done. So, there you can see it from the outside,
oh, let me out, let me out, let me out.
and that's what it will look like from the inside. Nobody will believe this, but this has been 2 very hard days' work.